Hey guys, just wanted to talk to you a minute about adding fractions with unlike denominators. Remember, what we're doing here is if I had 3/4, we know that this is the numerator and this is the denominator. All right. So when we're multiplying, or I'm sorry, adding, and I have 1/4 plus 3/8. The first thing that I have to do is I have to look at the denominator, and the denominators have to be equal in order to add them. So in this case, they're not. So I'm going to look at the denominators and look at the smaller one. So 4 is smaller than 8. And I'm going to think, will 4 go into 8? Yes, 4 goes into 8 because I know that 4 times 2 equals 8, right? So I'm going to do 1/4 times 2 equals 8. Whatever I do to the bottom, I have to do to the top. So 1 times 2 is 2. So now I have 2/8 plus 3/8. I didn't have to do anything to that one because it's the same. And I get 5/8. So you can't add until the denominators are the same. So when you're adding or even subtracting fractions, the denominator must be the same, and you don't add the denominators together. You see I left it the same there as well. Let's look at one more. This time, let's say that I have 7/8 plus 1/6. Okay, so what you can do here is you can look at 6, the smaller number, and see if it will go into 8. Because the denominators are the same, so we have to get them the same. Will 6 go into 8? They will not. So what we would have to do is we have to find a common multiple. So we could do 6, 12, counting by 6 is 18, 24, and 30. So I like to do 5, right? And then we do the 8. 8, 16, 24, 32, and 40. So we should see immediately that the 24s match, correct? So then I take let's do the first number, 7/8, and I do times blank equals, our denominator now will be 24. So what times 8 equals 24? Well, 3, right? We go 1, 2, 3 places, so 3. Whatever I do to the bottom, I do to the top. 7 times 3 is 21. So now I have 21 over 24. Then I have to do 1/6. So 1/6 times blank equals 24. 1, 2, 3, 4. 6 times 4 equals 24. Whatever I do to the bottom, I do to the top. 1 times 4 is 4. So now I have 21 over 24 plus 4 over 24. And then I get a total of 25 over 24. Okay. So when I get there, one thing I need to notice though is that with my denominator, I have to make sure that my numerator is smaller than my denominator. In this case, I have an improper fraction. So if I have an improper fraction, what I know that I have to do is then I need to flip-flop it. So I do that by going 24. How many times does 24 go into 25? 24 goes into 25 one time. I have 1 left over, so it'd be 1 and 1/24. And that would be my answer. So this is just simplifying it. And we'll talk more about that. But if you got this answer right here, you know you're on the right track. Well, I will do more of this. We will work more on this on Tuesday. I hope this helps you with your work for today.